Hey everybody, Jeremy and Doug up here at Cowtown. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about our spring open house. We're starting, what is today, the 8th of February. We're just gonna go ahead and open it up right now. We're gonna go through the month of February, maybe even into March, just depending on kind of what's going on, how much product we have left, what we're gonna be doing. But a big thing I want to talk to everybody about right now is we're doing some giveaways, for our open house. All you've got to do is come in, sign up. We've got a little box here, and I don't know exactly what we're going to do as far as when we're going to draw, but we're going to draw multiple different names. We're going to be giving away. We've got some cooler bags, we've got some fillet knives, we've got some hats, we've got some storage bags. And this isn't just here on the marine side. We're going to be doing stuff across the board. Over on the power sports side, we've got another table set up similar. We're going to be giving away some service kits, whether it's for your K&M Outlander four-wheeler, a side-by-side, or if you've got a marine product, you want a service kit for your 1995 Johnson or your Brayman Mercury. We're going to kind of do a wide variety of stuff we're going to be giving away. Talking about doing some raffles and stuff, that's going to be something coming up here, hopefully within the next couple of weeks we're going to be talking about. So feel free to come on in, guys, sign up, win some free stuff, and we'll go from there. If you have any questions on anything as far as product goes, we've got a full showroom right now. Feel free to give me a call, 573-885-6300.